Want to download songs from Suno AI on your mobile device? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, launch Open any web browser and head over to suno.com. Make sure to sign into your account or sign up if you don't already have an account. Next, you want to create a song. For that, tap on this icon over here. Now enter a song description in the prompt, then click Create. Now your song will be created over here and saved to your workspace. Once the song is ready, you want to head over to workspace and locate the song you want to download. Now tap on these three dots. Here you have the option of download. Go ahead and select your type. I'm going to select MP3 audio. Go ahead and tap on download anyway option. And once you do that, your song is now downloaded directly to your mobile device. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.